How to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome, open Google Chrome firstly. Here, if I make a search, you can see I am led to Yahoo Search. So in order to remove Yahoo Search, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on Settings option. On the left side panel, you will see the option for On Startup. Tap on that. Here, select the Open a Specific Page or Set of Pages radio button and now tap on the Add a New Page option. In the pop-up that you are led to, enter https://google.com or you can simply enter www.google.com. Tap on the Add button now. Next, tap on the Search Engine option from the left side panel and now you will see the search engine used in the address bar drop-down. Tap on that and select Google here. Now, if you tap on Manage Search Engines and Site Search, you can see Google has been made your default search engine. Also, if you open Chrome, you can see the home page directly leads you to Google web page. Also, if you make a search, you will be directed to Google search engine and will not be directed to Yahoo search engine any longer. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.